Okay, so you want to know how premium PC cases are produced? Well, I mean, it's probably just a lot done a lot with a lot of people, but I don't know. So, watch this. Yep, a robot, like always. Oh, that's how they bend it. Okay. Water, clean, clean, steam, steam. Damn. Okay, guy. Finally, a guy painting. Robots aren't gonna take it all. Oh, that's pretty cool. I kind of want one of those. Oh. Okay. 3 in the front, 1 exhaust. Easy peasy. And that is the process to all of them? Interesting.